Hey everybody, doing a no start condition on an IGX800, and this situation here, we definitely knew it was a fuel problem. It wanted to start, but it wouldn't quite start, and so we thought it was fuel filter. Changed fuel filter, and when we tried to recrank it again, fuel filter would not, glass would not fill up with gas. So actually did an old school, just kind of sucked the gas right back in there, and still wouldn't start, wouldn't draw the gas. This is actually a fuel pump. And the way that this works is it works on a vacuum. So got to be thoughtful about whether or not these are hooked up correct, any crack. But in this situation, this one was actually cracked. And so this has to be replaced, but this will give you a no start condition. I'm going to guess somebody tried to put their hand on here, slipped or hit this with a wand or hit it with surface cleaner or something like that and cracked this thing. And but with it not being able to draw vacuum, it won't draw fuel through here, and it won't actually draw fuel into the carburetor. So this thing is DOA, dead in the water. So yeah, no start IGX800.